Beanie, come here. This is gonna be the biggest challenge of the truck and the truck camper so far. Can we get out of this parking lot? I mean, the snow is as deep as Beanie's chest. Beanie is crazy about snow.
Jumps on it, you know, she becomes a little deer.
All right, you drive us out of here. I'm gonna film it. Marika's from California, but she's pretty good at driving in the snow. Go, honey, go. Keep going. Holy shit. Keep going, keep going. Look at this thing. Keep going, don't get stuck here. Keep going. We got stuck. We got stuck.
For a second.
I had to teach Marika the Midwestern rock, which is where you reverse it and forward it and reverse it and forward it, and you just let the momentum help get you unstuck.
Yeah, and then I just moved the wheel back and forth too. That was the California.
Yeah.
I was just like...
The California crazy.
It's like, move it back and forth!
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. She did it. That's why I love her. Ha ha!
We did it!
You did it. She's pretty good at driving in the snow. And oh yeah, Beanie?
She's like, me too, Dad. I'm good at driving in the snow. You're so good in the snow.
It's a good bee. She's just... Oh. Oh.
The fuck is this, Mom? Sorry.
What is this? What is this we're doing here?
Come here, Beanie.
I don't know. I don't think she likes it.
I love you. Yes, I love you.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't know what she thinks about it.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
I don't know.
It's okay. Come here.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
We are glider skiing or cross-country skiing, sort of.
Who's a good girl?
Oh, I get it on you too!